Hey guys, welcome back to my channel for another delicious recipe, Guyanese cheese straw, with a special collaboration, the one and only, who needs no introduction, Cooking with Lisa. So guys, please go over visit our channel and show your support and let us know that Cooking with MP has read for you. Without any further ado, so guys, to achieve this delicious recipe, here are the ingredients needed. Do keep in mind, I will go right ahead and leave a full list of ingredients and measurement below in the description box so you can check it out. Cheddar cheese, all-purpose flour, butter, mustard of choice, garlic salt, and also a pinch of hot pepper. So next guys, here are the ingredients that you will need to add to your blender or food processor, whichever one you feel comfortable using, you certainly can. First thing first, you want to go right ahead and add your grated cheese and also your butter and just give it a good blend. So first thing guys, I would definitely like to take this moment to shout out my current subscribers and also my new subscribers who watches my video each time I upload. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. Also don't forget, you can go right ahead and support my other colleague, Lisa, definitely a friend of choice and also who will support you 100% each time you upload. So here we are guys, after 3 minutes of blending, looks amazing. So here we are guys, after 5 minutes of blending, looks absolutely delicious. Next, to add an extra flavor to this recipe, I'm going to go right ahead and add my garlic salt, a pinch of hot pepper, and also mustard of choice, and just give it a good blend. So guys, it's a great honor and privilege to do this collaboration. So if you guys haven't come across Cooking with Lisa channel, she's one of Guyanese's famous YouTuber who needs no introduction, who has some amazing recipe when it comes to Caribbean dishes. So you guys want to head right over there and check out her channel and show your support. And just let her know that Cooking with MP, as mentioned, you know, a dear friend, refer you to her channel. Just show your love and support, greatly appreciated. So here we are guys, after I went ahead and add my remaining ingredients, my mustard, my pepper, and also my garlic salt. Next I'm going to go right ahead and add a pinch of flour for easy removal and just give it a good blend. So take a look at this guys, looks absolutely delicious, perfectly blended. Next I'm going to remove them from the blender and add it to a glass bowl and add a pinch of flour and mix to your desired softness. As mentioned, I will go right ahead and leave a full list of ingredients and measurement below in the description box so you can always check it out. Next guys, to ensure that your dough at the right consistency of softness, you want to just apply a pinch to your hand and just give it a quick squeeze. It should leave an imprint, which means it's perfectly done. Next, you want to go ahead and add these to your baking pan at 300 degrees, 15 minutes. So here we are guys, after 15 minutes, delicious Guyanese cheese straw. So guys, I hope you give this delicious recipe a try, and also feel free to leave me any question you may have. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do, and also please visit my colleague Lisa, Cooking with Lisa, and show your support. As always, thank you for watching. Until next time.